3 months ago, I set up 7 AI systems as an experiment. This morning, I woke up to 18,000 a month for one of my students. Let's begin. Welcome to AI Money Lab. Over the past year, I've tested 83 different AI income methods to bring you only the 7 most reliable, scalable systems working in mid-2024. These aren't theoretical ideas. Each one has generated real income for real people, from college students to retirees. I've organized them from the easiest to start, taking less than 30 minutes, to the most sophisticated, requiring slightly more setup, but delivering bigger returns. Before we dive in, I need you to do 2 things right now. First, smash that like button. YouTube's algorithm is currently favoring this type of practical AI content. Second, grab a notepad because you'll want to write down at least one of these methods. Let's start with the simplest way to make your first $500 with AI. Meet Amanda, a kindergarten teacher who made $4,210 last month selling AI-created puzzle books on Amazon. Here's exactly how she did it. Step 1. Content creation using ChatGPT. She generates themed activity books with prompts like, create a 50-page toddler activity book with 10 matching games, 15 simple mazes, 20 coloring pages with animal outlines, and 5 spot the difference challenges, all with educational explanations. Step 2. Design automation. She uses Canva's AI tools to auto-generate layouts using their activity book templates, create consistent coloring page styles with magic design format, professional covers in seconds. Step 3. Publishing strategy. Amanda uploads to Amazon, KDP with these optimizations. Targets low competition keywords, like toddler travel activity book plane rides. Prices at $8.99, with $8.99, with $6.50 profit per copy. Uses series branding, book 1 always free. Pro tip, the secret is in the niches. Instead of generic coloring books, target specific scenarios like divorce coping activity book for kids or autism sensory activity sheets. These specialized books get 3 to 5x higher conversion rates. David's AI-powered camping gear blog now earns $1,400 a month. Here's his complete workflow. Content production system. ChatGPT creates comprehensive guides using prompts like, write a 2,000-word ultimate guide to winter camping tents, comparing 5 models under $300. Include specs comparison table, real use scenarios, maintenance tips, and 3 budget alternatives. Pictory AI converts each article into a YouTube video by extracting key points for the script, adding relevant B-roll from its stock library, inserting automatic captions. Canva's AI designs. Pinterest pins optimized for virality. Monetization stack. Amazon Associates for 8% commissions. Camping brand sponsorships. 500, 500, 2,000 per post. Digital products. AI-generated camping checklists. Traffic secrets. Targets question-based keywords like best tent for heavy rain. Updates all posts quarterly using AI to maintain rankings. Internal links structured in content clusters. AI maps these automatically. Case study. His beginner's backpacking checklist post has earned $3,872 from just one affiliate link over 8 months. This Fiverr seller makes $19 a month offering AI voiceovers. Here's the breakdown. Setup process. Uses ElevenLabs to create 5 distinct voice profiles. Uses ElevenLabs to create 5 distinct voice profiles. 1. Friendly mom voice, for explainer videos. Gravelly movie trailer voice. Upbeat Gen Z voice for social media. 2 celebrity voice clones, legally licensed. Automated order fulfillment. Clients submit scripts via Google Form. Zapier connects to ElevenLabs API. Finished audio auto-delivered within 1 hour. Pricing strategy. $15 for 1,000 words. Basic voice. $45 for same script in all 5 voices. $200 week subscription for ongoing projects. Scaling trick. He offers human touch-up for 50% extra where he spends 2 minutes adding slight imperfections to make AI voices indistinguishable from real recordings. Elena's AI-powered Etsy shop clears $22,000 a month. Her exact system. Design process. MidJourney, Batch creates designs using prompts like minimalist line art of animal and style, perfect for tattoo lovers, single color design, white background, trending on Pinterest uses AI tools to auto-remove backgrounds, remove.bg, generate matching product mockups, playset, create 50 design variations in 1 hour, Canva magic resize. Product strategy focuses on evergreen niches, weddings, pets, hobbies, tests, 10 new designs daily, AI tracks best performers, bundles designs into themed collections, marketing automation, AI writes Etsy listings optimized for SEO, ChatGPT generates 30 social media posts, weekly runs AI managed Pinterest ads, $5 day per design. Mike's AI lead gen service makes $38,000 month helping roofers. His complete blueprint. Lead generation system. I scrapes and analyzes recent permit approvals for homeowners needing work. Storm damage report, neighborhood demographic data. ChatGPT creates hyper-personalized outreach. Hi, name. I noticed your neighborhood home was built in 1998. Many roofs from that era need inspection after last week's hailstorm. Delivery process. Charges. $97,300 per verified lead. Provides leads via Google Sheet, updated in real time. Includes AI written follow-up sequences for clients. Scaling. Secret. He trains the AI on successful past campaigns, constantly improving conversion rates that now average 22%. Sophia's AI-generated book series earns $14,500 a month. Her exact method. Book creation. ChatGPT writes serialized stories using create a 12-book fantasy series for 6 to 8-year-olds about an animal who, unique trait. Each book should have 500 words, 12 illustration prompts, rhyming scheme, and teach a life lesson. MidJourney creates images with watercolor style, friendly, character doing action, bright colors, no text space needed. Publishing strategy. Releases 3 books month in series. Book 1 always free. Drive series discovery. Uses AI to translate into 5 languages. Marketing hack. Runs AI-generated Facebook ads, targeting parents who like similar books, with dynamic creative optimization. This faceless channel earns $47,000 a month using Content Machine. ChatGPT produces scripts based on trending analysis. Compare these 5 viral videos about topic and create a script combining their best elements. Pictory AI. Matches script to stock footage, adds auto captions, inserts dynamic zooms, transitions, monetization, stack, ad revenue, RPMs, 12.12.35. Affiliate links placed by AI, sponsorships from AI, matched brands, growth. Secret. The AI analyzes performance hourly, doubling down on what works and automatically adjusting thumbnails, titles. Your roadmap to start. Pause and comment which method excites you most. Grab my free AI Income Launch Kit, link below. Subscribe for tomorrow's tutorial on automating your chosen method. The AI gold rush is here, but the real winners won't be those who wait. They'll be those who act today. Which system will you build first?